Okay, I'm going to be showing us. I had a comment saying that one saying that he needs to know how to use Python with VS Code, and I have Python already installed in my VS Code. So you can see I just ran a Python program, and if I want to check the Python version of my system, I'm just going to type this. Okay. So it shows me the Python version that I have. So, but before then, let me quickly uninstall Python on my system and then install it again. So, for me to do that, I will quickly go to Control Panel and I go to Uninstall Program. I'll quickly look for Python and select it. Click the Uninstall button. So it is going to quickly uninstall it, and as it's uninstalling it, let's quickly go back to as it uninstalling it. Let me call up my Chrome. So when Chrome comes up, I'm gonna open this place, and then I type python.org slash downloads. So it's going to open Python websites. Let me quickly open VS Code too. So VS Code downloads. Okay, so it's taking a while to open. So when it opens, you download Python here. Okay, click here to download Python and make sure you are downloading for Windows. Okay, if you are using Windows, and then Mac OS, Linux, depending on the one you want to download. Then open code.visualstudio.com/downloads. So when it opens, see download, you quickly download for Windows or Linux or Mac, depending on the one, the system you are using. Okay. So when these are done, if you are done downloading all these, you're gonna come back. Now, when you okay, uninstall was successful. Okay. Now let me clear this screen. So when I clear this screen, if I now type Python hyphen version, what did it say? It said Python was not found. Okay, Python is no longer in this system. So I can't really run this thing again. Can't say Control F5 to run this because Python is no longer stored in my system. Okay, so you can't run it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to quickly come to where I downloaded my Python because I said I've downloaded it already. Okay, come to software pack. Look at my Python, I double click and I say run. And it's going to give me a dialog box asking me how is it going to run this. I'm going to choose use admin privileges and then add Python to path. Now, if you don't use this option, that means you are going to manually add Python to your path, to the environment variable, path environment variable of your system. So when you're done with this, click install now. The moment you click install now, the installation process will pick up fast. Okay. So as this is being installed, also make sure that you install Visual Studio Code on your system. Okay. Install Visual Studio Code. But I have Visual Studio Code already, and I want to believe that the young man that asked that question also has Visual Studio Code. Okay. So let's wait a bit to see that the Python installation is successfully completed. Okay, it's gonna take a little while. I'm sorry if you're hearing noise at the background. It is raining heavily here. Okay, it says setup was successful. Okay, you can go for tutorial and documentation, but I'm going to quickly close. So, although that I've closed this, although the installation is complete, let's see if Python is now installed. Okay, you see, it is coming up, meaning I have Python here and I can work. Now, it's possible that you are running several other things with your VS Code. So for you to set up the Python debugger, make sure you just type Shift P, Control Shift P, and then you select Python debugger here. So when you select that, your system is gonna change. All right, it's gonna reboot. Now, when the history is restored here, you can go ahead and create new file if you want to from here, or you come to this place, create new file. Maybe you call it testing.py. So when you are done, click, it's gonna come, and let's quickly type our traditional hello world application. Hello world. Okay, when you are done, you press Ctrl F5. So at the pressing of Ctrl F5, suggestions of the debuggers are brought to you. You click here and it's going to run it here. Now I think I'm forgetting something. Okay, it's running here now, but there's something that you also need to put in place. I've already put it in place. Click the extension tab here by using Ctrl Shift X, or you just manually click it, and then here you type Python. The moment you type Python, you are going to select the option from Microsoft here, and then you make sure you install this extension. As for me, it's already installed. That's why it's showing you uninstall. Okay. So that is what you are going to do before you start writing your Python code with VS Code and running it. Okay. Thank you very much.